Have you ever met someone that's love language is literally just being mean? Like, the meaner they are, the more they love you. And I didn't know these people existed until I liked this girl one time. But I thought she really didn't like me because every time I would talk to her, she would just be really mean. Like, one time I told her that I liked her outfit, and instead of saying thank you, she literally just said that I'm stupid. So at that point, I was like, okay, I get the message. I'll stop bothering you. But then when I did that, she got more angry and she was like, why are you avoiding me? I don't know. Maybe it's because you scare me and you seem like you really don't like me. But she just said that was how she shows affection. So on one hand, I was happy. But on the other hand, I was like, I don't know how much more of your affection I can take, dog. But the scariest part about being friends with these people is that when they're actually angry, you can't tell because that's how they always are. It's almost flattering when they're mean to you though, because it's like, come on, you know you like me. But if you actually say that to them, they might hurt you. They are the most rewarding people to be friends with though.